Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic of getting pre-qualified for a loan with SoFi. The straightforward answer is yes, you can get pre-qualified for various types of loans with SoFi, including personal loans and mortgages. Pre-qualification is an important first step. It gives you an estimate of the loan amount, interest rate, and terms you might receive without fully applying. For SoFi personal loans and mortgages, the pre-qualification process typically involves what is called a soft credit pull. A soft credit pull allows SoFi to review your credit file to give you an offer without affecting your credit score. This is a key benefit, as it lets you shop for rates and compare options risk-free. To pre-qualify, you'll generally need to provide some basic personal and financial information online. For personal loans, this usually includes your income, employment history, and education. For a mortgage pre-qualification, you will provide details about your income, assets, and debt. After reviewing your information, SoFi can quickly show you the loan options you pre-qualify for. Keep in mind that pre-qualification is not a final loan approval. If you choose to move forward with a full loan application, SoFi will conduct a more thorough review, which may include a hard credit pull. This hard pull can cause a small, temporary dip in your credit score. Final approval is dependent on verifying all your information and meeting all the underwriting requirements. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.